Welcome back to Teacher Singh videos, guys, where I bring you useful videos. So guys, in this video quickly I will be showing you how to download and install apps in iPhone in iOS 16. So basically what you need to do is you need to open up your app store, and once you're in your app store you can just see that you can select between games, apps, arcade, or you can just directly search in your app store, and we are going to search for YouTube. And you can see right here that YouTube has shown in the search results. So we are going to tap on it, and now you can see the first one is YouTube. So we are going to click it, and there are two options. First of all, as you can see, you can just download it directly from here, or you can just tap it to open it, to elaborate it in the App Store, and you can just tap right here to download this app like this. And now it will download the app and install it in your iPhone. It takes time according to your internet speed, so it takes a couple of seconds according to my internet speed. So now as you can see, it is downloaded, and we can just directly open it from here, or I will just show you it has shown in this home screen as well. So guys, as you can see, after logging in, you can use it as normal. So I hope you really enjoyed this quick video on how to install and download apps in iOS 16. So I hope you will give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I will be catching you in the very next one, guys.